What is wrong with you? What happened to your enthusiasm? Hey guys, why is he resisting so much? Finally, let's start. So Neo, do you remember what happens when we press the pipe? Oh God, what is wrong with him? I hope you guys know, whenever we press the pipe, the flow of water reduces. This opposition to flow is known as resistance. Instead of pressing the pipe, we can change the resistance by simply using a thinner wire. Thinner the pipe, more is the resistance. Likewise, in electronic circuit, opposition to the flow of charge is known as resistance. We can increase the resistance, that is the internal resistance, using a thin wire. But it is negligible. Therefore, we need an external resistance to control the current. For that, we use a physical object or device known as resistor. As soon as we connect resistor, the flow of charge reduces. Normally, resistors looks like this. Hey, give it back to me. Whatever. External resistance is necessary ever because it helps to protect your circuit from heavy current which may even damage the circuit. Before we finish up with resistors, there is one last thing that you should know. Hello? May I have your attention please? Thank you. If you remember, conductors have a lot of free charges which move easily. It means it has low resistance. Whereas on the other hand, insulator have no free charges that moves easily, which means it has high level of resistance. Some examples of insulator are paper, plastic, rubber and so on. That is the reason why wires are covered so that we do not get shocked. That was all about resistance. See ya! Lots of love!